I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites, Android Studio updated and a compatible Gradle plugin because mismatches break sync. Once done, open the project level build. Gradle and make sure Google and Maven Central are present so Gradle can fetch Glide. Next, switch to the module level build. Gradle, usually app, this is where you add implementation dependencies. Do this now so the dependency resolution target is ready. It streamlines the rest of the process and prevents repository or plugin errors later. Now you add Glide inside the app level build. Gradle dependencies block, insert implementation com, GitHub, BumpTech, Glide X, Y, Z using the version you need. You do this so code can reference Glide classes. If you use Kotlin with annotation processing, also add capt com, GitHub, BumpTech, Glide compiler, X, Y, Z to enable generated API. Then press sync now so Gradle downloads artifacts. Make sure to monitor the Gradle console for any version conflicts, or to finish, replace X, Y, Z with the chosen stable Glide version and rebuild so generated classes appear. You need that for Glide app to work. Once rebuilt, call Glide. With context, load URL into image view or use the generated API if annotation processing ran. If something goes wrong, make sure to clear the Gradle cache, confirm Google and Maven Central are present, and verify the Android Gradle plugin version. These steps resolve the most common dependency resolution issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.